My question is repeated.
Invent something? Invention means you create something which did not exist.
Can we create new things?
You do create.
And can we create new things? So does not really exist in books?
Now what do you ask you explain us what you mean by creating new things?
He is learning the whatever we have created, it was already there in the nature.
Supposing a particular chakoli pita was not there.
We are not the real creator.
You say that supposing a particular cake was not there. You created it in a oven. But if you say that what about those grains by which it is made? Of course, that is there in the state of nature. There are certain fundamental substances in the state of nature. You manipulate them, you permutation, combination, blending, mixing, disintegrating, integrating, you create things. Okay. Microphone was not there. This, for example, the mobile technology is an invention. There is a sense in which it did not exist and you brought into existence. That is how you invent. Steam engine was not there. Printing press was not there. But the principles of electricity were there. And the materials out of which a printing machine is made, the iron, the constituent, the fundamental elements are there. You see, there are certain things in the state of nature which you do not create. They are uncreated. But by using them, by manipulating those things, you create new things. That is your invention. But how do you invent? Maybe certain discoveries, certain knowledge about laws help you to invent. Steam engine was invented. What is that, Redison or someone? Stevenson invented steam engine. That steam engine is based on the certain principles and certain dynamics. That is science. If it is a question of making a steam engine, you make a steam engine by certain materials. Certain iron or whatever, the constituents, they are there in the state of nature. So you must be clear about what you invent, what is already there. Supposing this microphone is an invention. But its principles of sound, principle of electricity, all these things have helped us to improvise a microphone. But when it is a question of inventing an object or gadget like microphone, what about the substance, the steel? The steel component of it is taken from certain ores.
I don't know, sir.
Certain extracts from the ores. It exists as a part of that. You take it, you purify it, you convert it to steel, then melt it, give it a shape, and this comes.
The idea that helps us to create a new thing, that was also product of our brain, and the brain is also a physical object.
Doesn't matter. जो तावारे पिठा करूछंदी मिठा तावाटा ना मिठा लाउची तावारे जो पिठा करा होची से पिठार टेस्ट जाए तावारे कोन टेस्ट जाए अरे ब्रेन रे आइडियाज अछि कोन असुविधा हला गोटे आइडियाज गुडा को कोन व्हाई डू शुड यू थिंक लाइक दैट ideas are the form of energy but you say that ideas are form of consciousness is different from energy जहाँ मुड़गा जो ता कहबो भाई अरे आइडियाज गुडा सुनो you must understand what an idea is, you must understand what an energy is. Energy is a capacity, mere capacity. Ideas are nothing but forms of consciousness. Idea of a mermaid, Matsya Kanya, idea of an angel, idea of a god, even the idea that I am somebody. The microphone doesn't know that it is a microphone. A dog doesn't know that it is a dog. It is different from others. But a man knows that he is a man. Even the idea, our idea about ourselves is a form of consciousness. And consciousness is different from energy. Understand? What I say that also can be disputed. Energy is a concept. That is an ongoing discussion. But you see, we should not, philosophy, this is where the role of philosophy comes. Sometimes we fail to handle certain, handle the rope. So the rope that gets, we become fettered in our by your own manipulation. तुम गोटे जो सफा करा जाऊच कि इन द प्रोसेस हाथटा बेसी मैला हो हाथटा मैला सफा करा जिन बेसी मैला हम तो हाथ में तेल चिकिटा लगी गोटे धड़ा लोग सफा कर जहाँ को सफा करा जाता बेसी मैला हम ना कारण जहाँ मध्यम सफा कर तो मैला बुझिपार सो तर कथा हूँ कौन बेले बेले कौन हुए आम मानकर कन्फ्यूजन सकाशे आम कनसेप्चुअल हियर कम्स रोल ऑफ फिलॉसफी कन्फ्यूजन सकाशे कौन हुए ना गोटे क्लियर जिनसा मत लुक्स कन्फ्यूज्ड बिकज जहाँ माध्यम तुम देखुच से निजे कन्फ्यूज्ड बुझिपार ना ये आसो रोल ऑफ फिलॉसफी फिलोसोफर क्लियर्स द ग्राउंड फिलोसोफर इज नॉट टू बिल्ड ए edifice he has to clear the ground philosopher has no territory to win no truth to discover it is up to the scientist to discover a truth philosopher stands with the scientist by the side of the scientist to help him to be clear about what he is doing so that the scientist does what he does properly otherwise by trying to get clarity you will harvest confusion.
Sir, all new ideas of the present and of the future were there in the psychic potency. He is saying that.
That is a different thing.
All new ideas were there in the
Suppose I
psychic
say
potency.
that Buddha's preachings are there also people say, the great masters have said, nothing is lost. Supposing from earth, the light waves are coming, going. Supposing at the time of Buddha, when Buddha was preaching, the light waves are also going in the space. Supposing it will take another 100, 200 years to reach that planet. So Buddha will be born there after 200 years. बुझिपार ना ये जो भाइब्रेशन गुड़ाक भाइब्रेशन नॉट लॉस्ट बुद्ध 2500 वर्ष जन्म होते तेणु से लाइट जो पहुँच 2500 वर्ष पर आउ 2500 वर्ष पर पहुँच लाइट इयर्स पर पहुँच से प्लानेट रे बर्तमान बुद्ध इज ए पास्ट ये बुद्ध इज ए फ्यूचर जन्म ही ना फॉर अस इट इज ए पास्ट बर्तमान जो जगह से लाइटा पहुँचलानी से बुद्ध इज बीइंग बोर्न इट इज बुद्ध इज कंटेम्पोरेरियस विथ देम ये गोटे साइंस ना ये गप नो इमेजिनरी स्टोरी नो इट्स ए फैक्ट इन द यूनिवर्स नथिंग इज लॉस्ट नथिंग इज लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग इज देयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस वेव्स छाड़ बर्तमान जीवा ना नहीं से ये क्वेश्चन है ना who can answer me there are two watches there is a one watch which never gives right time and there is another watch which gives correct time twice in a day which watch you want
first one
why
because it is working and the second one is not working
very intelligent the second watch is not working 6:20 रे बंद होई तेणु सकाल 6:20 एक्जाक्ट टाइम दबो ना नहीं सदा 6:20 एक्जाक्ट टाइम दबो तो आ गोटे घंटा मोटे करेक्ट टाइम दबोनी एटलीस्ट चालू छै ना सेटा so you have to make a choice between a stopped watch which has stopped functioning and a watch which works but works errantly
Continuously.
एटी जानले 10 मिनट फास्ट अच्छे 10 मिनट लेट कर बाहर स्टेशन को अपन सब 10 मिनट फास्ट दिन के 10 मिनट फास्ट लाभ भी सो लेट अस टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज रिलीजन एटा एतिक रे थवा एटा तो डिस्कस करले बहुत चलबो से तार कोन ऑब्जेक्टिविटी कोन ये कोन वी हैव टू पुट एन एंड समवेयर now just try to again this is same thing now to be religious is different from understanding what is religion to be religious means to follow a religious path you count beads you put sandal paste you dress yourself in saffron you stand one legged look at the sun crystal gazing You go to the crematorium and do all kinds of penance. You take vegetarian food. You meditate morning and evening. You stand and pray. Okay? So these are different religious ways you follow. Go to the temple in the morning and evening. Do some charity as a part of your religious observances. You observe fast, you do Ramzan, or you do Ekadasi, or you fast on Shivaratri day or Janmashtami day. It's a part of your religious observances. You are religious because you are following a religious path. This is different from understanding what is religion. What is God? Can there be religion without God? If there is a God, what is the status of man? How God as a creator is related to man who is created? The creator and the creation. What is the relationship? Does God exist outside the creation, or is a part of the creation, or he himself is the creation? If God is love, how God's love is different from human love for one another? If God is holy, what does it mean say God is holy? The point is, why should you say that there is a God? What is the proof for its existence? Is there any proof? Yes, causal argument, ontological argument, teleological argument. You see, these are answers to the questions. So in philosophy, what is important is asking questions. And when you analyze a concept, you ask questions. And questions of what kind? As I told you, we're discussing what is science. We are trying, as students of philosophy, we are trying to analyze it. What is religion? What is a religious phenomenon? Is it necessary that to be religious? If to be religious is to have a religious conduct, can I not have a religious conduct without believing a God? Can I not love human being? Cannot love and serve without believing a God? Is it possible or not?
Yes, possible.
So why should we accept God if without it we can manage things as effectively as otherwise? These are very, very precious
Questions.
nagging questions which persist. Once you have a philosophical perspective, these questions become obvious, they crop up, which doesn't bother a common man. So a common man is not bothered about philosophical dimensions of certain, philosophical dimension of certain phenomena. You lead a life, but a philosopher asks you, what is this life for? What for this life? Of what consequences? Just growing a vegetative, making a vegetative life. You grow, mate, beget, add to the already populated world, and be a part of creating more scarcity because you have your share in the food, nature's food. Do a lot of hangama, create problems for others, create problems for yourself. You are a problem, you are a problem monger and you are trying to solve problems. Whole life is like that. You create problems and solve them, and whole life is spent 70, 80 years, 60, 70 birthdays. Over. Everything is over. Born as a grandson and die as a grandfather. Born as a granddaughter, die as a grandmother. The same child who is born today, after 40 years, see her husband, her son, this daughter-in-law, and her child. So her grandchild is as old as she was 40 years back. ମାନେ 40 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୁଁ ଯାହା ଥିଲି ମୋ ନାତୁ ବି ସେଇଆ 3ଟା ଜେନେରେସନ୍ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲାଣି ଚାହୁଁ ଭେଣ୍ଡି ଗଛ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆଜି କରୁଛ କାଲି ଏଠି ଯେତିକି ବଡ଼ ହେଉଛି ଫୁଟିଯିବ ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ ମନ ଲେଡ଼ିଜ୍ ଫିଙ୍ଗର କେତେ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଆସି କେତେ ଶୀଘ୍ର ବଢ଼ିଯିବ ଆରେ ଲେଡ଼ିଜ୍ ଫିଙ୍ଗର କ'ଣ ହସୁଛୁ କ'ଣ ତା ନାଁଟା ବଟେନି ଇଏ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଡ଼ିଜ୍ ଫିଙ୍ଗର ତାମାନେ କ'ଣ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଲେଡ଼ିଜ୍ ଫିଙ୍ଗର ଇଟ୍ ନଟ୍ ଏ ଲେଡ଼ିଜ୍ ଫିଙ୍ଗର ଲେଡ଼ିର ଫିଙ୍ଗର ନୁହେଁ ସେ ଯାଏ ଆରେ ଗ୍ରୋଥ୍ ହବନି ଇଏ ଶାଗ 4 ଦିନ 5 ଦିନ ହେଇଯିବ ତାର ଗଲା ମରିଗଲା ନଡ଼ିଆ ଗଛ किए डेरी किए शीघ्र जिते शीघ्र बढ़े से शीघ्र मरे तावाटा जिते शीघ्र गरम हो शीघ्र ठंडा हो जोटा डेरी गरम हो डेरी ठंडा हो नेचर
Laws.
तेणु जन जन पचारा सी कौन कर इज लिविंग ए लाइफ नो he has withdrawn himself from living a life and trying to understand what life is about, what life is for, what meaning has life. Is it worth living? Is it not better not to live a life than to live a life? Why life at all? Why with the way born to these parents inherit so much of problem? Why born to parents inherit so much of property and fortunes? Why this difference? Why virtuous people suffer? Why evildoers enjoy? What for? Why innocent man all the life while living an innocent life dies such a very ignoble death? An accident with the head and legs are bruised, suffered from cancer. He didn't do any harm to anyone. What for? Still you say that there is a God when there is so much of evil. These are some of the very fundamental questions which
Religious questions.
keep themselves raised when you awaken yourself philosophically. So, to understand, to discover the philosophical dimension, you need to have a philosophical mindset. If you do not have a philosophical mindset, the problems do not exist. As the problems do not exist for a common man. घंटा मैंने से घंटा ये रखिदेल 6:30 बजे बंद हो सब ये रखिदे
चालू जी टू लेट
चालू जी हाँ हाँ चालू 6:30
so slow it is as good as no movement.
No moment.
केतल किछि माने वर्तमान भाई मान प्रश्न करूँ जे केतल सरीबो मोर उत्तर है आरंभ तो हैनी so I am simply drawing your attention to the host of issues, philosophical issues, which this phenomenon called religious. So the first of all, to be religious is different from undertaking the venture called philosophy religion. It is one thing to be religious. A person may be religious without understanding, without asking these questions. My religious tenets tell me that you do this, fast in Ramjan, do some charity, go to the temple. These are your holy days, not holidays, holy days. Janmashtami is a holy day, sacred day. You take fish and meat around there, but you fast on. You don't touch anything on Shivaratri and. We ask you, you are a vegetarian, non-vegetarian? Yes, sir, I am vegetarian at least 2 days in a year. I say, gentlemen, to be vegetarian, you have to be 365 days vegetarian. To be a non-vegetarian is very easy because one day if you take non-vegetarian, you are considered a non-vegetarian. But to be a vegetarian, you have to be all the days vegetarian, without exception. Some people say, sir, I am half vegetarian and half non-vegetarian. They are confused. They need philosophical illumination. Yes, sir. ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା सोमवार गुरुवार शनिवार खाए सोमवार एक बार शनिवार शनि को बार गुरुवार लक्ष्मी को बार खाए आउ 4 दिन खाए
रविवार सूर्य को बार
ताले कौन हम ताले सी पुणी 4 दिन न खाइले पुणी तक बैलेंस करे कि वेजिटेरियन और नॉन वेजिटेरियन मोर डेज नॉन वेजिटेरियन मोर डेज वेजिटेरियन कारण को मु आज्ञा सबुदिन उपास करे सबुदिन मोर फास्टिंग हाँ सबुदिन रात 11 सकाळ 5 मु खाए न doesn't understand the concept of fasting. काम करूनी बहुत माने सबुदिन से तार अलस्वामी ना कौन अलस्वामी ना रात शोना 5 घंटा शोची. This gentleman doesn't understand that sleep is a part of doing work. You gain energy for work from sleep. So is not sleep a part of work? Is not your preparation for the class part of the class? The governor बोला हमसे पार्टी करूँ. बोले what do you mean? 3 घंटा का क्लास नो 3 घंटा क्लास में 7 घंटा प्रिपेयर करूँ जो सेट हमारे वर्किंग आवर्स नो है 22 घंटा कर दो Is not preparation for a class part of the
Duty. Part of the duty.
okay, let's go. Now so now let us try to understand what is a religion. Minimal things that constitute a religious phenomenon. We should remember that there are many religions. Religions are many. Every religion has a beginning in time. Buddhism was born with Buddha, Christianity was born with Christianity, everything. The religion has a time frame. It has a beginning in time. It has to have a founder, propounder. We could not think of Islam without Muhammad. We could not think of Sikhism without Nanak. Nanak is the founder. You may ask, who was the founder of Hinduism? Hinduism, with the sole exception of Hinduism, we are not glorifying Hinduism. What is after all Hinduism? If you say that Hinduism doesn't have a founder,
Mono, sir.
Supposing someone contests the historicity of it. But can you say that there was Hinduism before Vedas were created? Whether Vedas came in time or not?
Yes.
10,000, the oldest Vedas were 7,000 years back. Go back in time before 7,000 years. There is no people are moving nomads like the entire world. 10,000 वर्ष पूर्व 3,000 वर्ष पूर्व पृथ्वी रे कौन सी सोकल रिलीजन नथिला जदि हिंदुइज्म छाड़ दे गोटे कन्सेशन दिया जाए ना बुद्धिज्म थिला ना जैनिज्म थिला ना बुद्धिज्म थिला क्रिश्चियनिटी थिला किसी तो जीसस सांगे जन्म होला 21 वर्ष पूर्व नथिला तो कड़े एक रु गणा होने एक रु जीसस के जन्म दिन ना बुद्ध आसला पूर्व महावीर आसला पूर्व जैनिज्म थिला कि आज इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज्ड रिलीजन no is not there. So 3,000 people before 3,000 years the world was without religions or not. 10,000 years back 10,000 is not a very big time. 10,000 वर्ष टा कोन तो बड़े बड़ कथा कि 10,000 वर्ष पृथ्वी एज केते तले पानी केते बळ दिन आसलानी आइस एज केते हेलानी केते रानी पृथ्वी ये तो एज मनुष्य एज टा केते कि 70,000 or 80,000 years back man first ये तागुडा अच्छी कैलकुलेशन ओ और किसी ग्रेस दे दियो तो मनुष्यटा मैन इज ए वेरी लेट अराइवल ऑन द प्लैनेट आसिकरी बॉडीकरी इंटेलिजेंस करी साइंस करी समस्त डोमिनेट करी बर्तन गछ पत्र ये मानुष मार दउची जंगल नष्ट कला परे हाथी माने पळे आछंती हाथी माने पळे आसले तादरे केरोसिन पके जाळ दउछंती से बुली बुली ये टोस्टेड आलाय समस्त प्रॉब्लम मनुष्य ना मनुष्य यदि बर्तमान सब मनुष्य मरी जाते ताले पृथ्वी रे पशु पक्षी मान सब किसी दिन आराम रहते ना मनुष्य पुणी जन्म हम आसी बढ़िकी ये गला बेलू टाइम लगा से गछ पत्र सब बड़ बड़ गछ होता ये था साप ये मैंने सब भल मैन इज द ग्रेटेस्ट इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट एजेंट टू कॉज और द ओनली एजेंट व्हिच कॉजेस इम्बैलेंस इन द स्टेट ऑफ नेचर बिकॉज intelligence. It is the intelligence which makes a man so ignoble as well as there are another dimension but man is also noble. से छारपो खाया था बोले खटमल खाएगा कि सोइबो राति जाक छारपो तो खाइबो एंड देन इनडो अछि सिस्टम पशुमान खाया देले से माने कि राति जाक गोटे माने छारपोक भर्ती होता खटिया आणिकी शोबे से कहीं मध्य रक्त पीयंतु मनुष्य स्ट्रेंथ क्रिएचर नुहे मनुष्य सब खाए जानते साप खाए बेंग खाए मयूर खाए सब खाए मनुष्य ईद आम मनुष्य भी खाऊला स्ट्रेंजेस्ट भगवान जमी विचित्र भगवान सृष्ट सबुठ श्रेष्ठ जो कहुए सी मत विचित्र राइट फादर राइट चाइल्ड सन बाप जमी पिला सेमती बट हु आर द विक्टिम्स नाउ द एनिमल्स बर्ड्स प्लांट्स दे हैव ग्रज एंड ग्रम्बल दे हैव राइट टू ग्रम्बल अगेंस्ट गॉड व्हाई डिड यू क्रिएट मैन gave him intelligence so much so that he creates problem for us and he himself is now has made this earth so inhospitable for living. मनीष सब दल देल बुद्धिटा कहीं देल आम बुद्धि पाइना आम तो भले अच्छे आम तुम कथा मानुच तुम प्राकृतिक नियम अनुसार चलुँ मनीष बुद्धि ये दल जे सी एभली कम करुँचे आमको तो रखे दौनी आम ये पृथ्वी जमी से निजे भी रहीपर किसी वर्ष पर एत ये हम जो एत गरम हम एत पा आसो ये मानने मेल्टिंग अफ दि से निजे निजे रही कि आम रखिदेन इट इज एज गुड एज गिविंग knife to a mad man who doesn't know how to use it, so he kills himself and kills many others. Was it not a mistake on your part to have created man and to have given him intelligence, which he constantly misuses? Mostly, it is more misused than used. Is it not a? Would you not think of a meaningful dialogue with God by plants, animals, flora and fauna? Expressing their grievance against man. Are they not right to say that is a misplaced charity on the part of God to have made man so intelligent and he has built him after his image? Even if you gave him intelligence, why did you not give him the capacity so that he never misuses it? If you have not done it, is there no defect in your creation? If there is a defect in your creation, how can you perfect God? Problem of evil. अरे ये सब बाहर चुना नहीं प्रॉब्लम है बिल्ड आसुची क्या इफ गॉड इज omnipotent all powerful and God is all loving and or benevolent then how can there be evil? Why there cannot be evil? Because from these two propositions can you think of God who is malevolent? Can you think of God who is not omnipotent? No, he is not God. God by definition is one who is all powerful, otherwise he will like one of us, like limited power. God has unlimited power. That means he can desire, he can do whatever he desires. That is the meaning of omnipotence. And if he is benevolent, he would always want good for man. So if he would always desire good for man and is all powerful, then there should be always good. Why there is evil then? Either he doesn't want it, that means he is not benevolent, or he cannot make it, he is not omnipotent. Sai Ram Aswar.
धर्म
भगवान आसन कले
धर्म पाठ पढ़ा
बुझी हो ना if at all how far the concept of God is maintainable. Problem is what the greatest challenge
for the existence of God, for religion.
But there are answers. God created man, he gave him will. Sorry only आराम होई परिबे gave him freedom. It is up to man whether to use or misuse. By misusing it, he gets evil. So evil is man's creation. God is not responsible. He created the best creation, gave him everything, even freedom. The choicest gift of God, which even animals don't have. Why man is given? Because his most beautiful creation he has made. So it was benevolent on the part of God to have endowed with free will, man with free will. And there is evil because man misuses. So it is man's creation, not God's creation. Why should you make God responsible for it? God remains perfect as it is. Number two, if there is no evil, the good will lose its meaning or not? अपन जो पिला दिन माने शोष होला माने पीवे कोका कोला आपण मोटे मो पिला पढ़ौली से केवे अध किलोमीटर अधिक चलते चली ना जीवन घर बाहर तो कार अच्छा पिला दिन जी छोट बेल 2 वर्ष कार रे बस आम जो कार रे बसले मजाटा पाऊँ जो जर्किंग हो जो गदी मैंने मुझे कार मटे रहता नहीं सब सारा जीवन कार रे बसता से मजाटा आसो खाली पादे चली न सी बस भल गदी थी कुशन ये मजाटा अनुभव कर ना जो मैंने कार्तिक मास मोटे माछ खाई न था छाड़ा खाई माछटा केते स्वाद लगे तो माछ कार्ति सहित सब खाईदे कथा बुझे नहीं सपोजिंग इन द वर्ल्ड देयर इज ओनली गुड एंड ओनली गुड सो व्हाट इज दैट डज दैट गुड मीन मनकर पृथ्वी में जन्म होता अंधार सब सबुड़ा अंधार अंधार माने कौन अंधार माने बर्तमान जहाँ बुझुचे जी बर्न ब्राइट तापे अंधारटा अंधार से नुहे तार अर्थ से नुहे अरे दैट इज ए नेचुरल थिंग अंधार कौन बस जन्म हो देखो छुँची जानूँ गरम ठंडा सब बुझी से तार जीवनटा से तार सेन्स ऑफ डेप्रिवेशन तो नहीं कारण से लाइट कौन जाननी ना तो अंधार को अंधार किए बोले भाव जे लाइट देखी सो डोंट यू फील दैट गुड एंड इविल आर नेसेसरी सो दैट गुड बिकम्स मीनिंगफुल सो द वर्ल्ड इज मोर ब्यूटीफुल विथ बोथ गुड एंड इविल देन ओनली विथ गुड विदाउट एनी इविल जदि ईश्वर कर भल भी कर सपोजिंग घरे सब आप स्त्री विरक्त हूँ सब घरे गें गें बनाते 21 दिन तो बंद हो ना 28 दिन कि आप गला प्रथम दिन पिठा पिठा जो 28 तारीख दिन जाकर पहुँचे पिठा कहे कौन माई वाइफ हैज माइंड सेट चेंज क्या आप आबसेन्स अनुभव कला जी कौन करुले बोले डाली चावल सब पिला पठेबे ना निजे जाए ठिया दुकान गाँ दुकान कि ये दुकान पर मैडम आप तो केबल देखा जाती ना स्वामी नहांती तो कुआड़े प्रमोशन जाइए रिफ्रेशन बुझे ना नहीं सो अनलेस देयर इज अ डुअलिटी गुड एंड सो ताल कौन हम इविल इज नेसेसरी अननेसेसरी कौन हम इविल इज नेसेसरी फॉर गुड इट दे गिव मीनिंग टू इच अदर आ कौन हम पृथ्वी तो इविल न था कष्ट न था आ जनकर दया अच्छी बोल जानी था कि unless there is suffering and how do you know that man has kindness how do you know that man has good qualities कार देह खराब हेनी कि झुंटबनी कि पड़बनी कार असुविधा हेनी आउ जन काइंडनेस केम टेस्टेड हम
courage patience
so the world is better with evil rather than without evil so God being perfect should we create a good world or a better world so this is the best possible universe life needs Number 4, aesthetic solution. Kona? Suppose I say, suppose there is a black spot. This is repelling. Tell you black color matched black. But as a part of a painting, it is yellow, it is magenta, it is saffron, it is green. ता भीतर जितने black spot रहुची. Does it not add beauty to the painting whole? So individually taken evil is evil, but as a part of the whole life, it gives texture or beauty to the whole life. So in the short term, आपन धरन तो खसी पड़ले बस रे खसी पड़ले यंग होइतले खसी पड़ले छोटा है सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आसले 40% हैंडीकैप आपण सांग फर्स्ट क्लास पाई गले हैंडीकैप गोटे गोटे थला पाई गले आपनकर सांग पूरा मैट्रिक फर्स्ट क्लास हाई फर्स्ट क्लास जो तीनोटी तो पोस्ट और जोड़ी पोस्ट सब भल पिला गले आ गोटे हैंडीकैप गले मु पाइली सेते भाबी यार पड़ी जाइली बोल ना आइली आपन सांगटी भल पिला बिना चाकरी अप्लाई अप्लाई नो रिप्लाई कली बाहाई पारलानी किंतु ये छोटी हेले मते जेतु छोटी हेले मते जेतु ओपीएससी पाइछि गवर्नमेंट चाकरी करछि ओटे भल सुंदर प्लेट तो बाहरला कह जाल तो ये से छोटी कोन मिलो छोट छाड़ले गोड़ लगे देवा कि ये करेंगे छोटे कौन मिले कौन दीटा गोड़ थी कि बेकार पेटी बहुत खाऊ ये कर मोर दरबार अंटर रही कौन लाभ कौन से जानवे जहाँ होता ईश्वर कले प्राणी मंगल यू नो अबाउट दी किंग एंड द मिनिस्टर ये जो कटिगला जानते तो तार आउ गोटे पार्ट शुणु शुण है जी पचारे कह हाँ आम रिलीजन पढ़ाई गल राजा थर क्षीर रोते कटिगला जर जर रक्त बोले मंत्री कहे जहाँ राजन ईश्वर चाहते प्राणी मंगल पे नॉनसेंस मोर एटा कटिगला होगा ईश्वर चाहते प्राणी मंगल पे कौन यार मंगल मोर है ना मुँह देखा चाहूँ आई डोंट वांट टू सी हिज फेस मुझे ठीक अच्छे राजा रागी गले से जाकि राजा तुम देखिए मुझे मुँह चाहिए तो जाकि गोटे लुचिक गोटे जगह ये भर रही राजा से सबुदिन मंत्री की नहीं जाते से गले पारिदीप गले बोले जंगल भर जाइए दल लोक राजा को धरले कौन कर राजा ना कि राजा आम जान आम तो ये रोचे आम जन्म ये आम राजा फाजा कौन कि राजा तुम किए मो पूरा गोटे भंडाटा एमती खसिया चेष्टा कर ना तुम नहीं कि वाज मेड यू नो स्ट्रिप्ड ऑफ हिज क्लॉथ्स गोटे मंदिर भीतर नहीं गले तापर गोटे कि कले तापर जड़े आसी चेक कला सब बॉडी देखला अरे ये तो ये अच्छे आज्ञा ये फिट न बड़ी पे नहीं गले आदिवासी मैंने बड़ी नरबली दरकार था नरबली पे गोटे अक्षत लोक दरकार ता भीतर कहीं न राजा तो ख्यात अच्छे बड़ी पे कमी राजा कहते आनी कहीं तुम यही उद्देश्य आनी कि यू आर नॉट तुम भाग्य भल तुम बचीगल तुम ये तो यू आर नॉट फिट फॉर सैक्रिफाइस एट आवर ड्यूटी आम जो गडेस अच्छा ट्राइबल गडेस तापाई तो बड़ी पे उपयुक्त नुह राजा बोले अरे ठीक अच्छे मोर कटि न था बड़ी पड़ता ईश्वर जहाँ कहते प्राणी मंगल ठीक से मन पकड़ा अरे मंत्री तो ठीक कहते ईश्वर जहाँ कहते प्राणी मंगल से यहाँ जे यहाँ मो पे ठीक है मंत्री कौन ठीक है सी तो किसी भूल करना कहीं कष्ट पाई पड़ा लुचुच्च गोटे जगह सी तो मो भल पे कहले ना बर्तमान प्रश्न जदि मंत्री डाक पचारे कहले तुम जो कहते ठीक जे मो पे ठीक है तुम तो मोर भल पे कहल तुम तो सब मोर शुभाकांक्षी तुमको कहीं कष्ट पड़ा ना मत जब आप गाड़ी न दे था लुचि था आप सागे दे आम दी जन नहीं था मोर तो किसी क्षत ना आपको ये कर मत पड़े पकई था तेणु जो आपण जोटा भल से भल मो पे जोटा भल से भल सो इट इज अ बेस्ट पॉसिबल वर्ड सो दैट मीन्स यार कन्फ्यूजन है कौन इविल दैट इज नथिंग लाइक इविल इज गुड मिसअंडरस्टूड इविल गोटे ना बोले मना करदे ईश्वर को क्वेश्चन जोड़े देयर इज नो इविल द सो कॉल्ड इविल इज गुड मिसअंडरस्टूड द इविल इज गुड इन डिस्गाइज जहाँ को खराब बोली भावुच सही इन द लॉन्ग रन दैट विल गिव गुड फॉर यू you don't understand so from a limited perspective something is said to be evil from a limited perspective but you enlarge the perspective then that is good individually that is evil part of the whole life it adds texture to your life and gives meaning to your life so friends these are the different issues the existence of concept of God existence of God concept of good God is good what does it mean God is love what does it mean God is holy what does it mean what is God is it transcendent or is it immanent is it outside the creation does he control the creation by being outside it above it or is a part of it or every one of us is God sooner or later we can realize God the Christianity says that there is a world which is created by God but God is not part of the world this is a deistic conception of religion God is there God is outside the creation God is the creator but creator is not a part of the creation he is above creation he is transcendent therefore the created things cannot be God they can be God-like you cannot be one with God but you can live nearer God in heaven you live nearer God as a result you have God-like qualities but you cannot become God then in another religious framework everyone is a potential God because the God himself has made himself many ekoham bahushyam so God is immanent in everything and everyone is a potential God so everyone can attain Godhood and become one with God as long as that ignorance is there as long as you have the sense of limitations you will remain alienated from God so our entire process life's journey across life is nothing but steps towards the divine, your permanent home. So human life is a fallout from Godhood and there is a persistent tendency or effort to attain the Godhood. All yoga and everything spiritual methods are nothing but the processes by which you expedite your journey, you quicken your journey, you accelerate your journey towards God. Why? Because you are basically God. So by becoming God, you do not attain anything alien, anything external, but you realize your own nature. So it is ignorance which envelops your nature. You take off the veil and you realize your true self. So to Atma Dipa Bhava, Atmanang Vidhi, know yourself. That is God realization. Because you are a God. Just as a prince under intoxication thinks that he is a beggar. Under intoxication, he begs because he is under intoxication. Forgets that he is a prince, he is the owner of all the wealth. Why should he beg? So how to take the ignorance? But who has created ignorance? You yourself. So you have to unveil yourself. So the effort lies in you. Buddha says that don't expect anything to come from above. Be a lamp unto thyself. Help yourself. So spiritual journey is nothing but self-help. And there are others who say that yes, you have the capacity, but it must be coupled with the grace of the God. Only self-help is not sufficient. Ramanuja, the bhakti, those who advocate bhakti as a चलेगा कौन तो साइलेंट मोड रखना दी ना हार्ट अटैक हो नहीं पैंट रखे जरा थरियो थरला पर तो नहीं करियो छाती रखले से हार्ट अटैक है हो माने जोरे हाथ गले हार्ट अटैक हो सो बुझ परछन ने केते प्रकार कथा सेमिटिक रिलीजन से कहा जाउची तमे जेते जा चेष्टा कले मध्य your highest duty is to please God. How do you please God? By acting according to His will. Disobedience of the will of God is the cause of downfall of, cause of the primal sin. Adam committed, disobeyed the will of God. So you can please God by participating in His creation, by trying to preserve and promote His creation and obeying His will. That is the highest virtue. So there is need of self-effort and there is need of grace. But there is other systems like this Gen. They say that you can attain everything by your own effort. You close your eyes and you say that you don't see anything. And who can convince you that there is all light outside, and unless you open your eyes, who is going to open your eyes? You have to feel the urgency of opening the eyes and see that there is light around. So work out your own salvation. Buddhist dictum. Don't waste your time in thinking about God and whether they are there or not. You are wasting your time. Your job is so urgent. What is your urgent job? Is that you should lead an ethical life, better life, love, compassion, lead a better life. Don't have too much of attachment. Some make eightfold mark. By this way, that means these ways tell us that if a man works, he can also make it. As Obama says, we can make it. Even a spiritual says, we can make it by our own efforts. There are others who said, how insignificant is your effort? How much can you try? बहुत 5 वर्ष धरिक आप अंडा खाइबे नहीं करेंगे कि मनकर आप शिलंग जाइए अंडार जो बास्ना जो पियाज पड़ी जो बास्ना होते एत ब्लाइंडेड हो गले 5 वर्ष तपस्या गोटे थर माने जो खाइल गोटे थर खाइले कौन बॉडी पॉइजन है सो यू हैव एप्रोप्रिएट रीजंस सारा जीवन रहिले मोटे नेलेनी खाता देखिए कार्ड पैसा नेलेनी केवल पास कर 200 टका दे 5 मोटे नेलेनी तो लास्ट बेलू आ 2 मास अच्छे रिटायरमेंट झील बाहर हो पारूनी गोटे लोक जगह मोर ये 5टा मार्क सहित आप जहाँ कहे तो 50,000 टका करी गोटे कलर टीवीटा जहाँ हो तो आज पर्यटन किसी कर कौन मोर झीटा तो अभ्यास रही ना जदि मुझे गोटे पिला साहय कर गोटे पिला पास करगला ता संगे मो झीटा बाहला से डिजनेस्ट कौन डिजनेस्ट कहीं इट हैज वेरी डिफाइंड सारा जीवन अनेस्ट पाइली कौन सबुदिन स्त्री कौन कौन 400 टकर अधिक शाढ़ी पिंधि पारे तमें तो मास्टर सी तो मास्टर ताकर केमती हो कथा बुझे ना नहीं ये सब गुड़ा को टेकिंग एवरीथिंग इनटू अकाउंट आप कौन कले 10 मार्क बढ़ाई देले कौन आप पुणी आर्गुमेंट हाँ गोटे पिला पास कर मुझे कौन आगे कमाऊँ कि मुझे मार्क देदेले कौन क्या फेल अन्य के पिला फेल हो ये पास कर टेंशन अच्छे सी टेंशन रिलीव है मो झील भी जौतुक दे पार नी मैंने मोर सर्ट थी गोटे कलर टेलीविजन गोटे फ्रिज से भी बोला माने माने जय कहते मुझे नेबिनी आप जहाँ देवे झील को देवे कौन जी जो रोसे कर सबुदिन परिवार सुखा पर खाए फ्रिज टे देखी मोर किसी दरकार नहीं आप कार टे देवे आपको पुओ झी भले चढ़ी मोर कौन दरकार अच्छे आम बुढ़ा हेल्ला आमर कौन अच्छे भोई घर तो टेलीविजन रखिले आप कौन आप चाहिए आपंकर ये अनुसार आप झील को कलर टेलीविजन देवे कि भद्रक मुझे एमती जड़े लोक आस से इनडायरेक्टली एंटायर लिस्ट करदे जोटा के दाम हम 2.5 लाख टका 3 लाख टका खाली डाउरी पुओ झील तो खटर खड़ आम बुढ़ा बुढ़ी शोब पुओ बुझे आप देखिक देवे पुओ तो मिलिटारी मोर अच्छी तो क्लब को जीव आप मोटरसाइकेल जीव मोटरसाइकेल बोई मैंने मोटरसाइकेल रेडियो यहाँ कौन ये आप जो आजिकल जो मिलूँ से नुआ नुआ से प्लेयर आसता है सब ये आप जहाँ देवे से अनुसार आप झील सारा जीवन रही मु तो पुओ बाहर मैंने झील को देदेली पूरा व्हाट इज दिस एटा हो मैन इज ए सेल्फ लेजिटिमाइजिंग क्रिएचर जहाँ कर गोटे डाइवर्स होता स्वामी स्त्री देखते कथा इंडिविजुअल शी हैज 100 reasons to say that I can't stay with him. The husband will come out with 105 reasons. आज्ञा तार प्रकृति होचे थिबो थिबो जेमति मो बहु आसीबो ताको घर लोक आसले सब पिठा पणा करी तार सब माने फ्रिज खोला तार आम माँ जो आसबे सब आलमेरा भीतर ताला पड़ मिक्सचर सहित आज्ञा किए कहला आज्ञा किए मो बापा बो आग ना मो स्त्री आग केबे सी केबे आसला मु तो जन्म ही आज पर्यंत मनीष होइछि कि मते करछि आपन को सत कथा जाको सत कथा स्त्री कहला बेलू सी कह आज्ञा मुझे दरमा पाइला मैंने घरे पशि नी आगे मो पासबुक देखीदे आ ये कर देखीदे तो आगे मत सब पैसा दे दे ना ना तोर तो अलग रह घर चला हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू गो अबाउट इट So whatever you say, you have reasons in favor of it. Now those who say that self-effort is enough, they give one side. I am simply trying to say how man marshals arguments in support of it. There are others who say how tiny is man, how insignificant, how limited are his faculties. How can he negotiate the gap between the finite and infinite unless the infinite graces himself? You can reach. So meeting God is a kind of moving towards each other. God, you take one step, He takes 100 steps. You fall down, you forget, you commit mistakes. So God comes in form of benefactor or a guru to remind you, to hold you, to help you, to walk on the path. You need a guide. When you were a child, your mother was your guide. She taught you first alphabets. Your teacher taught you things. You didn't do everything by yourself. Yes, you had a willingness to participate, but nonetheless, you needed someone extraneous guide because you are too limited, so ignorant. If that is so, do you not need a guide or a guru or a mentor, spiritual mentor, to walk on a path which is unknown, untrodden? तुम्हारे आमी नहीं जानी तबु तुम्हारे भालोबासी मिस्टिसिज्म आसे भगवान मु तुम किए जानी तथा तुमको भल पाए हाउ कैन यू लव समवन लव द अननोन यू लव रसगुल्ला बिकॉज यू हैव टेस्टेड रसगुल्ला you love something which you know you anticipate some places, but how can you love someone and give up everything for someone whom you do not know? So it is what kind of love is this? Your love and devotion, how is devotion different from passion? Because in case of passion, the object generates the attachment. But here, you love the divine because it is your nature to love. You are basically that entity. So it is a kind of love for yourself because you are basically finite. So the love has its genesis in you, not in the object. Suppose I love this microphone, it's so good and handy and so powerful. So the properties of the object make me love the object. The appearance of a woman, appearance of a friend, or the appearance of an object makes me love the object. So there are some properties which generate love. But in case of the love for the divine, it is my own nature which makes me restless. Why did gopis run up? What for? Because the love welling up. Why? Because there is an underlying thread. You are part of the divine. So it is love for a part for the whole. Is it not a philosophical illuminating to discuss about this? What is the nature of love? If God is love, So how can man love the divine without knowing who the divine is? Because to know the divine is to be the divine. And when you become the divine, can you have love for the divine because you are one with him? You do not love, but you become the embodiment of love, embodiment of compassion. So you see, if you open up, then all the plethora of issues do get open up. Then what do you have in religion? By and large, religion is God-centric. By and large, a religion has a propounder, a religion has a scripture. What a shastra thyo da. Bible ho ki Quran ho ki jaha ta joda ki holy scripture, holy scripture. A propounder, a founder, a guru, a preceptor, or master, or an adept. Then in religion, what you have is a prescribed way of life, do's and do nots. Every religion has certain do's and do nots. Certain days are holy, certain rivers are holy, particular place is holy. And number is a mode of prayer. केमिति प्रेयर करिवो सेट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेंसेस रिचुअल्स बा ऑब्जर्वेंसेस केमिति प्रेयर करो बसिकरी को नमाज करिवो ना ठिया आइकरी करिवो सो यू फाइंड दैट दीस आर द फीचर्स in words of Wittgenstein, they are the features which are, there is a cluster of features which define a particular religion. And we say that one religion is different from another in terms of these characteristics. I am a Muslim because I take Quran to be holy. I am a Hindu because I take Bhagavad Gita to be holy. That makes me a person belonging to a different religious denomination or cult. I go to mosque, so I am Muslim. You go to temple, you are a Hindu. You go to church, you are a... Simply because you pray in a particular place of worship, you belong to a particular religious community. But is there anything which everyone does under different denominations? Is there any method by which you can distinguish, any natural method by which I can identify that you are a Christian? By looking at the dress you put on? By looking at your eyes? By making any blood test? Any kind of sophisticated blood test, can I say that you are a Christian, I am Muslim? Never. Biopsy? No. Study of physiognomy? Impossible. You cannot say, by looking at the body, examining the cells, DNA and everything, you can never say to which religion it belongs. How artificial it is, the distinction. But how essential it is? Because man has that urge to be spiritual. That is why it takes to religion. କିଛି ନଥିଲେ ତିନାଥ ମେଳା କରିବ ସେ କିଛି ଲୋକ ଗଛରେ ସିନ୍ଦୁର ଲଗେଇକିରି ତାକୁ ଠାକୁରାଣୀ ବୋଲି କହିବ କହିଲେ ପଥର ଦେଇ ଶାଳଗ୍ରାମକୁ ପୂଜା କରିବ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଶାଳଗ୍ରାମ ଅର୍ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଅର୍ ମକା ଅର୍ ଜିସସ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଅର୍ଜ ଇନ୍ ୟୁ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡ ଆନ୍ ଆଙ୍କରେଜ୍ ମୋ ବାପା ପିଲାଦିନୁ ଚର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟିଆନ ହେଲି ମୁଁ ଯଦି ହିନ୍ଦୁ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ରଖିଲେ ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି ବଟ୍ ହାଉ ଡଜ୍ ଇଟ୍ ମେକ୍ ଅସ୍ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ Yes, I am black, you are white. Color difference. But what difference does it make to your basic emotions? ମୁଁ ଦୁଃଖ କଲେ କାନ୍ଦିବି କିଏ ଦୁଃଖରେ ନ କାନ୍ଦେ କହିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଏଥିଓପିଆରେ ଯେଉଁ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ନିଗ୍ରୋ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ହରାଇକି କାନ୍ଦୁନଥିଲେ କାନ୍ଦୁଥିଲେ କି ନାହିଁ ଏ ଯେଉଁ ଇଏରେ ଯେଉଁ ଆଟାକ୍ ହେଲା ଯେଉଁ ସବୁ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଜର୍ମାନୀରେ ଯେଉଁ ଆମର ନରୱେ ନା ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ସ୍କାଣ୍ଡିନେଭିଆନ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ଯେଉଁ ଆଟାକ୍ ହେଲା କେବେ ହେଇନଥିଲା ନରୱେ ନା ସ୍ୱିଡେନରେ କାନ୍ଦୁନଥିଲେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ନେଇକିରି when a mother loses her child, will you not cry? African mother will cry and in New York mother living in downtown will also cry. Then her basic emotions are there, aspirations are same. There is no natural taste by. So how artificially distinction caste, color and creed? That means, is there anything which is common to all religious following? Is there any message which is common to all religious scriptures? Is there any theme which is common to all kinds of prayers? Here we come to step down to spirituality. We'll discuss later. Okay, thank you. तो काली सकाळ कोण ଅଛି? Science and spirituality.
साइंस एंड स्पोर्ट्स
Okay.
साइंस एंड
खाली 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock.
साढ़े 10